In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure security settings in Google Workspace. We'll walk through the admin console together and set up key protections that help keep your organization's data safe. You'll need an administrator role with permission to manage security settings. To begin, open the Google admin console by going to admin.google.com and signing in with your admin account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation panel and select Security. This is your central hub for policies, alerts, and protections across your users and apps. From here, choose Overview. The Overview page gives you a structured way to jump into the most important areas. You'll see sections such as Alert Center for monitoring threats and notices, Rules for automation and event-based actions, Data protection for scanning and safeguarding sensitive information, data classification for organizing content based on sensitivity, and password management for account credential policies. We'll focus on a few high-impact items. Open data protection. This is where you can set up safeguards that help prevent sensitive information from being shared inappropriately. Click Go to Setting, then enable Perform scans of Gmail messages. Turning this on allows Google Workspace to scan mail traffic for patterns like financial or personal data according to your configured policies. It's a foundational control that supports detection and helps you take action through rules you define later. Now head back to the security overview and open password management. Select Strength and Length Enforcement. Here, set a minimum password length and require strong passwords to reduce the risk of easy-to-guess credentials. Adjust the options to match your organization's policy, aiming for a balance between usability and security. If you have different user groups, remember you can apply settings by organizational unit so higher-risk teams can have stricter policies. After adjusting strength and length, review the rest of your password settings to ensure they align with your standards. Confirm that changes reflect what you actually want in day-to-day use, and communicate updates to your users so they know what to expect the next time they change a password. Next, go back to the security overview and open two-step verification. Turn on two-step verification to add a critical extra layer of protection beyond passwords. With this enabled, users confirm their sign-in using a second factor, such as a prompt on a trusted device. This dramatically reduces account takeover risk from stolen or reused passwords. When you're done, make sure to save. That's it. By visiting the admin console, using the security overview, enabling data protection scans for Gmail, enforcing strong password rules, and turning on two-step verification, you've put core safeguards in place for your Google Workspace environment.